you're putting liquid in, so you're taking up volume. So you right now you don't want to have any pressure in there, so you'll just push down on this, right? And let that pressure out. And you just continue the process. So when I get this put in here, I'll show you the method for putting the air in the can. And you have all your fluid, if you're making your own. If you're making your own penetrating oil or whatever, then, you know, once you're finished the process of filling it up, it don't take that long. Just topped up what I had left over there that I had made up. So with that said, I have a little tire. What I did was I took the, there it is. Took the valve off of this with the inner tube, right? I have a bike tire. What you do is you take that and you just put that over the tube. Now, I never have a problem with this thing. So my luck is going to be a fool with me. But you just push it in, set your pressure to 90 foot, yeah. Just a second here. So you can go until it stops, but because the can itself comes with, I believe it's 90 foot, I keep saying foot pounds, 90 PSI. Anyway, and I just got my compressor set for 90. You know, sometimes I don't even put 90 in there, right? Because to me, I don't really have to, because I can just top it up whenever I want. So, but you get the idea. Put it in there. Get this liquid through. See? No problem. So